In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use gamification on Circle. So let's dive right in and explore all the necessary steps to enhance your Circle. So experience with this engaging feature. First things first, you're going to want to log into your Circle.so admin account. This step is crucial as it ensures that you have the right permissions to make changes to the gamification settings. Once you're logged in, locate your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on your photo will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, navigate to Settings and then select Gamification from the menu options. This path will bring you to the page where all your gamification configurations reside. On this page, you'll notice an option to enable gamification. Simply toggle the switch to turn it on. By doing so, you're activating the core gamification features, which will allow you to customize the way members earn and display achievements within your community. Next, scroll down the page and you'll find the options to set points and badges for various actions. This is where you can define what activities earn points, actions like posting, commenting, or joining a space. Each action can have its own point value, so think about what behaviors you want to encourage. When it comes to posting, it's all about engagement. Assign a certain number of points to encourage quality contributions. You can adjust these settings in the posting section. Similarly, in the commenting section, decide how many points a comment should be worth. This tweak is perfect for fostering conversations and discussions within your community. Furthermore, engaging new members is vital, so consider assigning points for joining a space. This reward can be instrumental in welcoming new users and encouraging them to participate. Now let's move on to badges, a fun and visual way to showcase achievements. To add a badge, click on Add Badge. Upload an image that represents the badge, set its name, and define how many points are required to earn it. After everything is set, hit Save. Feel free to create multiple badges by repeating these steps and customize each one to highlight different accomplishments or milestones. To wrap things up on the configurations, go to the leaderboard settings. Toggle the Show Leaderboard option to make it visible to your community members. Choose which spaces you want the leaderboard to appear in, and once you're satisfied with your selections, click Save Changes. This leaderboard is a great way to add a competitive edge to your community and keep members motivated. Finally, with these settings now enabled, members of your community will start earning points and badges for their participation. They can see their rankings on the leaderboard, motivating them to engage more actively. Congratulations! You've successfully added a dynamic layer of gamification to your Circle.so community, enhancing interaction and engagement among your members. Enjoy watching your community thrive with these new interactive rewards.